Everyone loves a good omelet. And I'm making an omelet inspired by a really traditional dish from the island of Chios called avrocalamara. It's basically an omelet filled with ground meat. But I'm taking a bit of a shortcut. I'm using Grecian Delight ready-carved, flame-broiled lamb and beef gyro. Sometimes we pronounce it gyro. The next thing to do in this recipe is get some fresh tomato grated. I like to use fresh tomato in this mixture because it makes it nice and light. A little bit of extra virgin Greek olive oil. The first thing that goes into the filling for the omelet is chopped red onion. Just getting that softened up. And this is a really simple recipe. You can open a little glass of wine and enjoy yourself without spending too much time on dinner. I think we're ready for our ground gyro. Beautiful fresh tomato going right in. This is looking really good. What I really like about this omelet are the warm spices that are very Greek. Cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of salt, a bit of black pepper. While this finishes cooking, I'll get my eggs going. I'm making a hearty omelet for 2 people with 4 eggs. Just whisk them up. I always add a touch of water to the eggs. That makes them nice and fluffy. Egg is nice and frothy. A little bit of extra virgin Greek olive oil. This is going right into the hot pan. Get our beautiful Greek gyro filling over the top of the omelet. So you can see this is a pretty hearty, quick meal. Beautiful. Just a little parsley and a little black pepper. All right, let's taste this little baby here. This is surprisingly delicate. I'm getting that beautiful cinnamon and the nutmeg. The gyro meat, the gyro, works really beautifully in here, and the eggs are perfectly cooked. This is a great midweek meal, and it takes 5 minutes.